Another candy video, and this time I've got June, Kevin and myself, and a large box of candy sent from Denmark by, now, and this is for the pronunciation, it's either Rene or Rene. Not sure because it's pronounced different ways around Europe, like June's name. June's name is pronounced June here in the Isle of Man, but Juan elsewhere. But anyway, let's open this up and see. Let's see if it's been booby-trapped with spicy candies or something like that. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what type of candy they have from Denmark. There's the packing peanuts. We could try eating the packing peanuts. Right, what do we have here? Liqueur bottles. That's a good start. We've got liqueur bottles, chocolate liqueur bottles. Honningsnitter. Honningsnitter, that's quite interesting. This looks salt licorice. So that's salty licorice, but little tiny ones. They remind me of imps, in a way. I'm guessing. Oh, you've not tried imps. There's a Ritter Sport. Strawberry yogurt, what?
You're just glazing past the fact it's called spunk.
Is it called spunk?
Yeah, it's definitely spunk.
That is definitely spunk, and it's the shape of the thing in the front. Okay, it's spunk, apparently. Should we be trying these? Should we just pull them out? Super Paratos. I quite like the idea of this sort of. Oh, you know what? These are what do they call them again? The licorice discs in the UK. The Pontefract cakes. Pontefract cakes. You know, we should just start
Maybe
eating.
it's super Pontefract.
We should just start eating these.
It's got fire on it. It's got fire with a
Super fire.
So let's grab a liqueur bottle.
Which one do you want?
See, any at all. Let's
have a margarita.
I'll have a. Well, these are based on.
I think these seem real
sort of like
mainstream.
sort of
I
like
can't imagine these are
Cosmopolitan.
particularly.
Now, do you remember the liqueur chocolates used to have that sugar coating inside? That was good, but they don't do that now so much. It's just the bare chocolate with the liqueur inside without that crispy sugar shell.
These are cocktails, so it's not going to be like a pure spirit.
No, it's going to be themed. So we can get the foil off.
Don't forget to bite into it halfway through.
Then you have to drink it.
Yeah.
It's a syrup.
There's always one that does it upside down, isn't
Who wants to handle that?
Well, that's the best.
You're just biting chocolate there, you muppet.
Very sweet, quite a thick. It's more a sort of syrupy fondant inside, would you say?
Yeah.
It's not like the one you bite and it just pours down your face. This is an
Like
issue
a
with
half
beards.
glass-shaped jelly. Cherry.
So, do you want to try the spunk next? I don't know if these are going to be quite hard. I think we should leave the spunk till that. Honningsnitter.
This isn't what I signed up for when I said I'd come round.
This is
no
honey.
point was eating spunk on the menu.
It's the Isle of Man, that's what happens. So this is Honningsnitter. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, which is apparently honey cake. So have a piece of honey cake. It's little sort of blocks of this stuff. That's reminiscent.
That's actually nice.
The spiced gingerbread that you get.
Yeah. Ginger cake.
What do they call those? What do they call the German spiced gingerbread cakes? I can't remember. They're shaped like hearts and things like that.
That's gingerbread.
That is gingerbread, yes. It's got a syrupy.
That's gingerbread.
Das.
This is nice. I was going to say something inappropriate there. I'm not going to say that because that would be a bit extreme.
It's just nice. I'm surprised at how moist the cake is.
It's very moist. It's got a syrup in it, and it's a bit like those gingerbread cookies. They're the ones that happen at Christmas. Oh, I can't remember the name of that. Even Poundland has big bags of the classic German gingerbread at Christmas. But this is very similar. But this is very sticky and syrupy.
That was I'd have Honningsnitter again. Honey cake.
The names are just ridiculous here. Tomo Forkamp Skildpadder. So these are There's a sort of stuff coming out in the middle of them. It looks like nuts. Okay. Let us try. Oh, they're quite big. These ones have been destroyed. It's all slimy. Oh, right, okay.
Oh.
They're like half eggs and they're a bit destroyed, so have one.
No, I couldn't. You have the one that's intact.
Oh, right, okay.
You know
So these are shaped like.
Get in here.
I thought they were eggs, but they're kind of like a
Going
strange.
for the sticky mess.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be a tortoise?
It's like a shell.
Hmm.
This reminds me of
No,
Alien.
Yeah, the shape of the tortoise, isn't it? It's got a little head and all sorts of stuff.
It reminds me of.
Yeah, there's its legs.
It could be anything.
There's its tail.
It could
No.
be anything.
I think they're just misinterpreting this and
This,
just trying.
this reminds me of the Alien film where they come across like the eggs. Basically, that's going to on your face.
Quite nice to eat.
No, that'd be the spunk we're going to eat in a minute.
No, you don't need that.
It's almost like a cream egg in the sense it's got the white stuff, the white fondant, and then it's got this sort of caramelly sort of. It's kind of alcoholish, isn't it? There's a slight tint of alcohol in this.
Really nice, isn't it?
Oh, wow. I don't know why I went, oh no, it's English.
Oh,
Rum cream.
rum cream, okay. They're quite nice.
Yeah, yeah.
I wonder what shape they're supposed to be. I wonder what the actual. What's the picture on it? Are they supposed to be kegs? I mean, I don't know.
Oh, it's one of those rum tortoises you hear so much about in the
It's
wild.
rum tortoises.
Yeah, the famous.
Shut up.
Wild rum
Them
tortoises.
them piss tortoises go around.
Next up is, the clue here is carameller, gold carameller. Let's now just hold that up. Gold carameller, I just swamp it out in the, by reflecting directly. You can see the lighting and the acoustics in here. This is just the ideal studio because not only has it got lots of reflective panels so you can see all this sort of lighting, but it also just bounces the sound about in here. It's
Very professional.
what we have.
I'm super impressed.
And a table with what is best described as a plastic lace doily on it. I did not choose this.
This is exactly what I expect from 300,000 subscribers.
Yeah. Keep in mind this is Ralph's place, so.
Tom makes these ones as well.
Oh. Ooh. Well, they're quite small. Oh. They're hard caramel. I warn you in advance, this is hard caramel.
Is this going to be like the next 20 minutes of this video?
So that could actually be, might have to start just spit this out or something.
Yeah.
Oh, do you know what these are? These are, do you remember chewing nuts?
No. It's me.
Do you remember chewing nuts that you used to get they were basically hard caramel
Yeah.
dipped in chocolate.
That's right.
These remind me of Reasons, the chocolate chew.
Oh yeah.
If Reasons went, nah, these are far too easy to chew, that's how cement.
Or they could also be the packets of Revels you get the caramel ones in them.
Help me, I feel like one of my teeth are going to come out.
Right, probably it does feel that way.
Once you get going, alright.
Uh-oh. Here's the salmiak licorice. This is going to be quite an extreme flavour. It's got a creamy interior though. So this is Hexahill original. And it is salmiak licorice, but it looks like a licorice cream rock, what they call licorice cream rock, where it's like a licorice exterior with a creamy interior. I warn you in advance, do you know what salmiak is?
No.
Very salty, it's salamoniac, it's ammonium chloride basically.
I thought it was an Egyptian actress.
And it's got bats and witches on the packet.
Bats and witches, that's even better.
They think they have absolutely
So this will be.
relation whatsoever to what we do.
I've still got toffee in the middle. I'm going to have to swallow the toffee.
Yeah, that's pretty salty.
Salmiak is. That's not bad. Just in case it's not salty enough, I did bring over the chili guitarin for afterwards if we don't find anything super spicy.
It's quite unpleasant.
By our standards, keep in mind that other countries in Europe have completely different flavours now. This has got pictures of figs and dates, and I think it's actually date bars. Fruitspienger. This strikes me a bit like health food actually. I'm just cautious, that you give to healthy babies. It's what, I'll just chuck them across your direction. But they're quite thin, which is quite good. It's not
It's
the
got a
one
smiley face.
Does it have a smiley face on it?
Must be good for you, then.
Fruitstrang.
Vegan, like them, what they call winders. You see the kids eat the fruit
Oh, the
winders.
fruit winders, yeah.
Last time I was in Denmark, I think it was Denmark.
It is a sort of datish bark. Very soft. It's very figgy. It's got the tips of the fig.
Yeah, it
And
feels,
strangely enough, it tastes just like fig.
feels like healthy.
It's healthy.
Yeah.
This could be the healthy interlude to the video. I'm not going to read the whole of that in case you're not getting healthy.
I don't think there's any risk of happening.
No. This is a small bottle of Gameldansk
Something Danish.
bitter dram. Bitter dram? Oh, I don't know.
Down at one.
Oh.
Chug.
I think we've not got glasses. I'm going to have to take a wee sip of this.
Well,
Bitter.
I can't wait to try this. Good job I've still got some like date stick to take it away.
Think Jägermeister, but bitterer.
Yeah, it's nice that.
That is just ferociously bitter. I hope it's
Yeah, that's
not
not pleasant.
laxative. It's one of those. It's like it is Jägermeister on steroids. That is just. See, he says it's not pleasant, then he has more. I'm
Well,
a bit
we had a
suspicious
little
about that.
Only had a little bit, I want to make sure.
Oh. Now, the fact this has pictures of flames on it says Turkish pepper. Do you think that's Turkish pepper by any chance? And it's got pictures of flames.
No, it's probably Turkish for sugar.
Maybe not.
Why are you moving the spunk away for?
We'll have this spunk lash just to contain
Yeah.
yourself.
Will we be spitting or swallowing that?
Oh.
Is this going to be the climax of the video? Let's get all the jokes in.
Turkish pepper. These are hard. Oh.
Oh, right.
Oh, dear me.
Don't bite it.
I did bite it. There's something. It's like sherbet lemons, but it's not sherbet inside. It's like fucking hell. Oh,
We got you.
Yeah. It's quite salty.
it's very salty. What was that in the middle?
Spunk.
Yeah. Spunk comes last. Contain yourself. So we get the. To take off.
Push it down with that.
We've got the strawberry yogurt here. Ritter.
What?
Did you just spit that
You're
out?
fucking right, I did.
That's just so disrespectful.
And I thought you were a swallow kind of guy.
Yeah, and that's after you've bought those noodles as well over with you as well. Which you're trying to encourage me to eat, and I'm not convinced about this. So this is a strawberry yogurt Ritter Sport. We do have Ritter Sport over here, but I'm not sure about the strawberry yogurt.
This is just going to be really nice, isn't it?
It is. It's like a hard fondant inside it. It's got that yogurty. It does have that strawberry yogurty.
Why are you saying it weird?
What?
Yogurt. Yeah, yogurt.
Yogurt.
You're not American.
No, yogurt. It's definitely
No,
yogurt.
it's definitely
Pronounced
yogurt.
yogurt.
Maybe that's how you pronounce it here in the island, but the rest of civilization
It was about
pronounces
one.
it yogurt.
Just saying.
So, the other thing we've got here,
I think I prefer the Ritter with biscuit.
we've got the super paratos, which I'm guessing is pieces of 8 types that I've seen. This does look like it's Pontefract cakes. It's like licoricey discs, and it says Piratos on it. So presumably, it's quite hard licorice.
Did pirates eat a lot of licorice?
Absolutely. That's why they all had diarrhea all the time.
Wouldn't you?
Why are pirates so mean? Because they are.
That's yeah.
Absolutely terrible. I've heard some shit in my time.
Yes.
Why do you think Denmark would have pirates? Wouldn't they have Vikings?
That's quite salty.
They're quite solid, isn't it?
It's quite hard and it's very
I
salty.
don't know whether I can take another
That's
salt.
because it's out of the sea, because that's where pirates eat the licorice.
That's what. Yeah.
That actually burnt my tongue with salt.
Yeah, it is burning the tongue a bit with salt. That is what
Oh,
salmiakki type.
You gotta eat it. Come on.
That's really hard as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. One must. So that just leaves a spunk to eat.
I've never tasted so bad a Haribo in my life.
Keep in mind, this is cultural differences. The salty licorice is very much. I thought it was more sort of Dutchy type thing, but there you go. These do look like the tiny little pellets.
Really little choking. Really hazards.
That is vile.
Oh, I don't.
They're very hard, and they're not actually that spicy.
Like raisins, isn't it?
They look like little birds.
Yeah,
Oh no, definitely not birds. They're like my tortoises.
they're quite hard for spunk,
Fuck off.
but they really are rock hard. Do you know what they remind me of? They're very gummy and hard. They remind me of those midget jams.
Yeah,
right?
midget jams,
And
yeah,
what was the other
yeah.
one?
The
Swamp
cherry-
mixtures.
Cherry lips or something they call them.
No, yeah.
Oh, what were
Oh,
those?
these are aniseed.
Are they? Are you sure? I'm
Yeah.
not getting aniseed.
Yeah, 'cause I fucking hate aniseed.
No, I think all my taste buds are dead from the last flavour. What was that other thing? They sold them floral gums. No, it was floral gums. They were just.
Little red ones.
They also sold little red ones, little red lip type things, but they were really gummy and chewy and they'd stick your teeth together. So, what was your favourite of all these so far?
The honey
The-
snitter.
The gingerbread.
The honey snitter.
The honey snitter was
The
really
honey
nice.
cake
It
was gorgeous.
moist, gingerbready type. So the other thing we've got here, and it's not connected to these, is chili guitarras. Little candy guitars.
Why
These are from a previous video. And these ones are salmiak, coated. And once again, there's a strong salt theme going on here. But after the salt comes, they're not super mega chili, but there is definitely quite an aggressive flavour going on there.
Tastes like just two mouthfuls of seawater.
See, we don't have many salty sweets over here at all, do we?
No.
Because
Because we have sweets.
yeah,
We have salty, savoury things.
Includes
like
in the
chips.
like chips, yeah. That gets spicier the more you eat it. So, right. Interesting. The closest to the British things, like that was very German, the Honingsnitter. The Rittersport is very much what you'd find in the UK, along with the Paratas were interesting, but what was these? The Turkish people, none of this stuff. The date bars is about the closest you'd find, and that's sort of considered health food.
Oh, I don't know. These things, these were like,
They were interesting. They were.
yeah. Apart from the fact there was a slight rum going on,
Yeah.
I'd say these were like the closest you've had to like a caramel egg or whatever.
Yeah, cream eggy type thing. Yeah.
And they were quite pleasant,
Mhm.
and the honey snit was nice.
Yeah.
I'm sure when I was in Scandinavia, I had a bar of plop, which was
Yeah.
nice.
These things, the licorice, they weren't actually as fierce as I was thinking. What was more or less
Salt.
just like the sort of licorice you rock.
Salt.
They weren't too salty. Maybe.
They
I
were.
think you're just oversensitive
No,
to salt.
you just had so many other things that were super fucking salty that they seem reasonable in comparison. But if you
That
put that
is-
next to a
that is
wine
true.
gum, that would be like Jesus.
So I think the next video, do we just try and finish the taste buds off complete with those noodles you've brought across, and we'll see what they're like.
Yes. That sounds
Okay,
entirely reasonable.
let's try that. So that's for the next video. So yes, thanks for saying that stuff. Danish candy, it's not actually I was expecting it. It's more, I wasn't expecting that range
Danish
of flavours.
salty?
Salt, yeah, Danish
Well,
salt.
yeah.
I know they like bacon,
Danish
but
bacon, yeah, of course, yeah, but yeah, very interesting.